Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the ULANZI Stream Deck D200 and I'm going to tell you how you can easily create your own profile preset for your own thingies. At first we have to open the ULANZI Deck application, and the tutorial for downloading this application and installing it on your Windows PC is on our channel. You can download this application MacBook too. We have a video for it too, so don't worry. And here we have, as you can see, default profile. To create a new one, we just have to click on it and create profile. As you can see, this is the new profile, and we can drag items to this page indicator, etc. As you can see, you can just drag it. And this is the profile 2, and this is the different profile. This is the profile 1 I've created for tests. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.